Another day, another dollar done. Trying to take my butt home and get out of this Corona weather. Look at that baby sitting over there just chilling. And when saying you don't want to flip around, fuck it. Yes, sir. Day's over with. Time to go home. Shortly. Stuff in the car. So how y'all doing in America? How y'all feeling out there in this Corona nonsense that's going on? It's been crazy, ain't it? Man. Woo! Feel good to be in this bad boy right about now. I still got a few minutes before I'm supposed to get off, but you know how it is. You can sneak away to the car. You sneak away to the car. Oh, man. Hey, man, right here, though, man, I got to install video with the cold air intake. Yep. Cold air intake. Mopar cold air intake. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I'm keeping everything. All my upgrades is probably going to be a Mopar. It's going to be a little more expensive, you know, but you got that warranty. You got to keep yourself within that warranty. You know? Yeah. So, yeah, on that, let's do this. So as you can see, sanding process first. Mid to fine grade, doesn't have to be coarse. Just enough to get off the paint. So after that sanding is done, we put a couple coats of primer and a couple coats of paint to make sure everything is high resistant to heat. And we'll follow that up with some gloss. A couple coats of that also. So here we're gonna use a socket wrench to get that out. And come over here, use it to get this out. That's what's holding it in place. First, I'm also gonna have to take out the heat sensor. And that's pretty easy. It's a little button here you push in and pull it off. Simple as that. I think it's a 13 millimeter I used on this one. Can't quite remember. But hey, you know, you can just keep trying size until it fit. Over here, take this one off. So as we're taking this off, I remember I'm gonna take this out and put it off to the side. Let's see where it screws into. We're gonna have to take that out to reuse on the cold air intake housing. Come over here and take this hose out. FYI, this might be in there pretty snug. You can see I was fighting with it. It'll come out. You know, probably need to eat more spinach, but hey, here we go. Presto. Check this out. Simple, just lift up. Booyah. Now we have to take out the heat sensor. It's also something else that might give you a little trouble to get out, but so just twist it out and it should come out. There you go. Now, you have to take off, you'll see this rubber knob right here. You have to take that off because that also is going to be used on new housing. Just twist that right off.
this piece also. I've watched people fight with this, but first you have to take off this top part. That's like a locking mechanism to keep the rubber piece in place. Just put that up, screwdriver between it, separate it, and then the rubber piece will come right out. See? When it pushes into the rubber, it kind of keeps the rubber in a circle and keep it shaped so it doesn't slip right out. Easy way to get this out. So fight with it like this, you take a screwdriver and you poke it through the hole. And you just pull it out. Very simple. Wow. So, and I meant to show you guys the rubber piece, but for some reason I picked up the original piece I took out. So here's everything that comes in your box for your assembly. So you're gonna see it's gonna have 2 holes, and it's gonna come with a plug for you to plug the hole that you're not gonna use, which would be this one. You can take this, insert it like that, till it clicks. You know it's flush, good to go. Remember that rubber piece, like the little plug? Okay, we're gonna have to put that on here. But as you see, it has nothing to sit on. So we're going to have to use this. Comes with the screw to put in from the other side, and you screw it right on. Simple 1, 2, 3 job. So let me do that real quick. And after you put that in there, you put that little rubber thing right back over it.
Sorry for the bad angle on the camera here, but it's gonna attach this connection piece here to the housing to where the hose is gonna sit on. And it can only go on one way, so don't worry about lining it up wrong, because they have it to where the holes are staggered to where it can only go on one way. Right here, man, sorry about that, y'all, man. My battery died, so you don't have the tube install part where I put the cold air tubing in. Sorry about that, but back to the video. All right here we're gonna that little tube that sticks out from the filter, we're gonna stick through this hole right here so we can connect it to the hose that was giving us a hard time earlier to take off. After you get that in there, let me show you. It sits flush on here. And we're gonna tighten this up on here. I will say, when you tighten these up, make sure you have all the screws pressing pretty much in the same direction. Keeps it looking kind of neat, you know. And here's the non-fun part, putting all this back on here. Well, putting all this on here, it is not fun at all. So I'm just gonna time lapse this the rest of the way for you. When replacing the heat sensor, just go ahead and you're gonna have to twist that in there. We're using a little force. There you have it. cold air intake. This is the part where I didn't have the video footage for because my battery died. Oh, that little chip right here. I don't know when that happened. Yeah, man, so, you know, it's coming along just right, man. Got just about 1 or 2 more little pieces, man. Gonna order either from Billet Tech for American Brother Designs and get cover for this, cover for the coolant. You know, thinking about taking this off, getting this powder coated, man. I don't know what y'all think. Tell me in the comments down below, man. You know, how y'all think about the. There we go. That's nice. I got a video for that too, man. That's gonna be next. Like I said, man, I'm gonna start dumping these videos out for y'all, man. I've been BSing. But now, you know, we got all this extra time with Corona, no overtime at work. Hey, got some things I could do now. So, on that note being said, man, y'all take it easy, man. Be safe out here. Wash them hands. Wash them hands. Wash them hands, man. You gotta wash them hands. Y'all take it easy, man. One love. Oh, yeah. Comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. We all out, man. Peace.